Let's check this out. Alexa, turn on my kitchen lights. That's pretty dope. That's pretty cool. What's going on, everybody? This is Chaz with Homegrown How To. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be adding a new upgrade to my home. This is kind of a subtle upgrade, but also something I use every single day. What I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be actually replacing my traditional can lights here. These lights are from the company Lumary. They sent me these lights to go ahead and test out to give an honest review. And just like in any of my other videos, any of the reviews that I do within my channel are all honest opinions on the product. I do not take any video requests or direction from the companies, and I make sure that they know that before I do any sort of video for them. So currently I've just got some traditional can lights here. As you can see, there are 6 here in my kitchen. I'm going to be replacing all of these with these Lumary lights here. So these lights that I'll be installing are RBGCW lights. That stands for red, blue, green, cool white, and warm white. They do come in 6-inch and 4-inch sides. So I'll leave a link to Lumary and to Amazon down in the description below, so be sure to check that out. This is the replacement bulb essentially for the light. It looks a lot sleeker and a lot better, in my opinion, than the traditional canned lights with the bulbs, as you can see here. To me, these lights look better right off the bat without any sort of illumination. These are going to sit nice and flush into that sheetrock on the ceiling. I think it's going to look really sleek. So at the end of these lights, they do have what looks like a traditional screw-in bulb. So I'll basically just go ahead, screw out the existing light bulb that's in the can light. Next, you've got this little housing or shroud that sits within the can light. You're going to go ahead and just pull that straight down. And so when removing these, there's a little tab here that you just want to pinch to get those to remove from the housing there. And that housing removes just like so. And then you'll just pinch these 2 tabs here to remove that also, just like that. And you are left with your traditional light socket attached to the wires. Then I'm going to take this threaded male end here and screw that into the socket just like a traditional light bulb. Get that in there nice and snug. And then I'm just going to take this wire and just wrap it around that top portion there. And then I'm going to slide this up in and kind of give it a little bit of a turn while I do that, just so it can kind of latch on in there. There you have it. Before even turning on any of the lights, just look at the comparison of this light compared to that one. This one on the right just looks way cleaner, a lot more smooth, way more modern looking. I really like that. Now let's go ahead. I got to replace these other 5 lights and we'll be good to go. Alright, so after you've got these things installed, you can go ahead and set them up through the app. So the Lumary app is available through the App Store on Apple and through the Google Play Store. So go ahead and download that. Go ahead and click open and agree. And then up here in the top right, you can go ahead and add a device. And then over on the left here, you're going to want to go ahead and choose lighting. And then you're going to choose light source BLE plus Wi-Fi. I'm going to go ahead and turn my lights on in here. Wrong ones. And you can see those are very bright. And they're going to start blinking like that. Alright, so with my lights blinking currently, I'm going to go ahead and click confirm the indicator is blinking. And all of those lights are being synced to my Wi-Fi here. And get a green check mark when those are added. Once you're inside of the app, you can change the colors from a cool white to a warm white. There is little presets up here. Scroll to the left and then you can also change the colors of the lights. You can change a bunch of different colors there. Again, you can go from a warm white to a cool white with the touch of a screen. You can also turn off each individual light if you'd like as well. You can create a group with these, so you're going to go ahead and click on one light up in the top right corner And down in this section here, it says create a group. You're going to go ahead and add each one of the lights to your group. So in my case, I'm going to just create this group as rename this as my kitchen lights. At the same time here, I can change the color of the lighting. So I can go super warm white, super bright white. I can dim these as well. And then within the app, swipe to the left and you can change the colors here. So again, I'm just gonna go ahead and click different colors. So in my case for these lights, we're gonna go a little bit more kind of on the warmer side. So something else that's pretty cool with these lights is that they can be added to an Alexa or a Google Home. You're going to go into your Alexa app, come over here on the bottom right corner to More, and click on Skills and Games. And then up here in the top right corner, you're going to search, and you're going to search for Lumary. And click on the Lumary icon. Enable to use. And you're going to authorize Lumary to be used through your Alexa, so you'll sign into your Lumary account as well. And now my Lumary has been synced with my Alexa. Alexa, turn on kitchen lights. That's pretty cool. Alexa, turn off kitchen lights. That's dope. Installing these lights was a breeze. Setting them up through the app was super easy as well. And a few other cool features within the app here and associated with the lights is you can go into scene. There's a bunch of preset scenes here. So you can click on the color and you can see change the color. You can come into the setting here. You can add different colors into your scene here. Coming back into the scenes, you've got the colorful, you've got the soft, leisure, reading, night, gorgeous, I think is also going to change the colors kind of more in like a fade function, which is kind of cool. Let's just go back into the normal lights there. And then in the music section here, you can click start. And then if I come in and talk next to my phone, it will change with my voice. So I can set this next to a speaker. So I have had these lights installed for pretty close to 2 weeks now, and I've got to say I really like them. I really enjoy them. The kids really like the color changing functions. My boy likes to play video games in the living room with the lights changing colors. We've had ourselves some dance parties, so it's pretty fun. It's a pretty good time with the kids, and we can also change the lights for different parties when we're hosting different parties throughout the year with our friends and stuff too. So it's a pretty cool feature. I really enjoy it. I really like it. We actually use the color changing feature a little bit more than I anticipated, just because again, the kids just love it. It's super fun. We did go ahead and install 4 more lights on the vaulted ceiling here in the living room. So that also makes the color changing features a lot better. We kind of get this whole area, the living room, as well as the kitchen, just changing colors, strobing out, getting our fist pump on. So it's a good time, you know, it's a lot of fun. We're also saving quite a bit of energy with these lights as well. So if you have any questions, please drop those in the comment section down below. I'll also leave a link down below, so check those out either on Amazon or through Lumary's website themselves. I know they've got some new products dropping soon, and we will also be testing those out, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in some of their new products as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. Alexa, power off my kitchen lights.